One of the questions we get asked all the time is, why choose OIART? I mean, there's a lot of different options for this type of education now, whether you're looking at a public college setting or a private career college setting. Why choose OIART? Why would I go to this school instead of the many other different options I have? And one of the key things that really, I think, sets this school apart is, and it's such a basic fundamental thing, is the entire foundation of the curriculum, the entire foundation, the existence of the school is employment upon graduation. This is not an academic pursuit. It's not something that people would consider as a hobby at this point. It's really employment. That's the ultimate goal of everything that we try to do. So the entire curriculum, whether it's the class time, the lab time, the people that teach here, the guest lectures we bring in to support the curriculum, it's all designed around employment after graduation. We've been in the game for a very long time. We've been in an institution since 1983. We have a lot of unique elements in the curriculum that lend itself towards successful employment, whether it's the full-time faculty that teach here at the institution, allowing for unprecedented access as far as mentoring, answering questions, guidance and support to the students, whether it's the guest lectures that we bring in, usually 40 to 50 working industry professionals every year that come in to speak directly to the students about the skill set they need in the industry, whether it's the alumni network. We're talking about a network of over 1,000 working industry professionals, many of which feed back directly into the curriculum, whether it's guest lecture support or whether it's just curriculum support, lab development. We stay in contact with these people. Being around for the time that we have been, that's allowed us to build a lot of relationships with employers, to the point that many employers will now come directly to the school when they're looking to hire people, expand, or something like that. And working directly with the employers, of course, is the best way to reinforce the curriculum, because the employers are telling us these are the skill sets that we're looking for. The next employee we want to hire, we want them to have this particular skill set or be familiar with this particular piece of technology. And we use that to determine what it is that we're teaching here in the program.